Please watch your step as you exit the train. Please exit to your right. Please walk, do not run. And have a great day here at Lagoon-A-Beach. Welcome to BomBora. Please walk, do not run. Please watch your step before the train. Please sit in an upright position and pull your restraint down to adjust security measures. If you need assistance, please notify the station when being called. While riding BomBora, please keep your arms and legs inside. Please do not extend your arms out to the side or above your head and don't see forward. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Have fun.
Welcome back. Please watch your step as you exit the train. Please exit to your right. Please walk, do not run. And have a great day here at Lagoon-A-Beach.